Alright guys, welcome back. We are demoing this main floor bathroom. I'd say it's about time, don't you think?
Yep,
So,
gotta go.
Yep, so we got a bunch of stuff we're going to do, but we're going to start out by just demoing this. We're going to run to Home Depot, kind of get some inspiration on what kind of tile and stuff we're doing, but yeah, that is what the plan is.
Yep, we're ripping it all up today.
Yep.
We're starting fresh.
Yep, it'll look good.
Mm-hmm.
Today/this weekend.
Let's do it.
Stay tuned. Alright.
Alright, so let's see it.
So, here it is. Finished product. This is how you keep the dust controlled.
Alright guys, we are officially
Back at it.
demoing this bathroom. Well, this is not going to plan.
Yeah, it is. It's better than planned. Look how easy that is.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, you're right, that is easier.
It's way easier.
A lot of it could be educational.
That's satisfying.
It is.
What are going to be educational about?
This is what happens when you don't have the correct pitch on your tile, so the water sat back here and just kind of harbored, just kind of rotted away. So it's probably, it's not too bad, but it's not good.
They didn't use a water barrier either, he said.
Yeah, it looks like they didn't use a water barrier, it's just straight to cement. Usually you'd put like a plastic, we'll put like a waterproof barrier around it, so if any water does go behind the tile, it'll still get shed into like the drainage and stuff. And it
No,
won't,
just sit back there.
won't sit back there, and it won't cause any like these popping tiles like this up over here.
Yeah, can't
Like-
pop one of those off. These are just sitting there.
Take a look at that. That's
Look at that.
oh yeah. Got all the kind of went around it. We should be able to just pull it right.
Easy peasy.
Yep, and that's the product we're gonna use, except brand new.
Yeah.
Rock.
And I just took this out,
Ooh,
so she's out.
nice. Good job.
Thanks. Making progress.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys.
Welcome back.
Update. We have definitely put in some sweat. No blood or tears yet, so
Oh, my toe.
yeah.
Maybe some blood.
Almost blood, so no tears yet. Here's the update. We're able to pull kind of the big chunks out at a time, as you see here, which made quick work of that. So we have this whole wall back here, which we'll do here in just a little bit, but I just got to unconnect all the plumbing stuff. But what do you think so far? Pretty good?
Yeah, we're moving along.
Yeah. So here's the progress report, day one progress report. We spent probably, I think we started working on it around what, 2
Yeah.
or so. It's about 5:30 right now. So we're pretty good. We got all the tile out and stuff. There's still a little bit more tear out that needs to happen, but I'd say I'm pretty happy with where we're at right now.
We got the sink out, the toilet out,
Sink, toilet,
all the tile.
all the tile except the floor. We'll get that out in a little bit.
Oh, not today.
No, not
Like
today.
a different
little
weekend.
bit as in tomorrow. But yeah, so this is day one. We're trying to get this done by May 31st. So that's kind of our timeline here. So as you can see, it's April 30th right now. Let me pull up so you guys can see. April 30th. We want to get this done by May 31st. Entirely plausible. We just got to make sure we keep ourselves accountable and stuff, which I think will be pretty easy since we don't have a bathroom on the main floor. So,
Yeah.
but
It's annoying to have this.
yeah, I think we'll get a lot of work. Our
Done.
goal is to get a lot of the prep done, and then so we can get this week, so we can kind of start getting some of the new tub and everything set in there and stuff, and then also any of the new faucets. And if we need to call a plumber to get that scheduled, I don't think we will, but just in case. But
Stay tuned.
stay tuned. Okay, so this is day 2 of the demo. So on Sunday, the first day 1, we kind of got a lot of the stuff done. I'll kind of show you what we got done here. So we were able to pull all the tile off of the walls and stuff, and then got this whole wall exposed. And then now what we're gonna work on today, or what I'm gonna do, I took the day off here to work on this, is we're going to get all of the floor done. So we're gonna pull up all the floor. More than likely what I'm gonna do is take it down to the subfloor, so I'm gonna have to end up taking this old tile layer off here. As you can kind of see, it's like an old hexagon, but so we'll take everything out and then also take the tub out today. So we'll get everything demoed and kind of prepped so we can kind of see what we're working with. And then we'll also kind of get the tedious stuff, such as all these screws and random stuff, out as well. So we'll throw in a few time lapses here so you guys can kind of see what's going on. Here's the current progress. We got that tub out on the motor. That was part of the jet tub there, so we'll see if we can't scrap it or sell it or whatever the case is. But otherwise, the reason they had all this concrete here, you can kind of see it was surrounding the tub. It gave it a little bit of an angle, so then the tub drained properly on here. So we're gonna have to go around and pull all this stuff out. Like I said before, some water damage here, so we'll go around and make sure everything is strong enough, and yeah, but we'll kind of show you the current trash pile. All right, so here's the current pile of all the stuff demoed out of that bathroom so far. This is something else, but everything, all the bags in the tub and everything came from the bathroom, so definitely got my steps in, that's for sure. Alright, so here's the aftermath of using that little hammer drill with the attachment on there. Got everything broken up into pieces. Like I said, it was about 1/2 inch concrete, and then it also had this wire mesh in here. So yeah, so we'll take all this stuff out and then we'll be left with a nice clean floor. So we got all that cleaned up. Now we're left with a nice floor. Like I said, we're gonna put a new subfloor in just because, I mean, you can kind of see there's some boards here. These are original from the house, 1927. So like this one's a little broken here. We don't necessarily need as big of a hole going right down into there as well too. And then yeah, also it just kind of helps with the soundproofing as well too. So one thing we'll do before we get all of the subfloor done though, is we're gonna pull up, as you can see, they have a bunch of nails in here. So we're gonna go around, pull all the nails out. And then like I said earlier, I gotta pull out the rest of this. We'll probably go right to about here with the rest of that. So, all right, let's get started. I actually found some more paper jammed in while I was pulling out the stuff. So here's some more paper kind of crumpled up. I can't necessarily get an exact time, but it's when President Clinton was in office. Everything torn out as far as all the lath and plaster that we needed to, and down to where we need to go. So last thing that we need to do is just pull up these screws and nails, but we'll do that in a little bit. So all right, I'm just wrapping up and Paige just got home from work. What do you think, P?
It's crazy.
It's pretty good, huh?
Very bare.
Yeah, so we got all that tile, that old tile pulled out. got all the lath and plaster over here pulled out and brought down. Took quite a while, but looks good. Now we're down to the bare bones, and then we'll pull out a bunch of the nails and stuff, but then we can start going the other way and start putting stuff back in.
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah. I'm excited to see what it looks like all together.
Yep.
With the new stuff in, so it'll look fresh.
Perfect. Sounds good. Well, guys, thank you for watching this part of the video. Like I said, this is the demo part, and then, yeah, we'll kind of go probably more stuff like prep and all that good stuff. But, yeah, stay tuned, and, yeah, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
I mean, we have dogs. I don't know why, but our floors get so disgusting. Probably because of this one right here.
Me?
No, probably not. The culprit has arrived.
Yeah, it's definitely hurt.